Hello everyone, welcome to the cybersecurity course. Today we are going to look at the importance of cybersecurity. So any student or any person who is going to learn cybersecurity generally will have this doubt, why should I learn this course? In this case, cybersecurity. So to answer this question, I am going to talk about the importance of cybersecurity. So this picture contains the major disruptors in the year 2017. So one of these disruptors is cybersecurity. So it is quite important. And this picture is of the current year, which is 2021. And it is showing the top 10 tech trends. And one of these top 10 tech trends is cybersecurity. So it is very important. So in this picture, you can see the salary of network security administrator. So it is on par with the salaries of remaining job roles. And in fact, the salary of cybersecurity personnel is more than most of the other jobs. Okay, right. So in this picture, focus on this row, information security analyst. So you can see the change in growth of this job role from one year to another year is almost 280%. So the demand for this job is growing exponentially, but people are not there. So this belongs to US and it is from the year 2015. So they are predicting the growth of cybersecurity job role in the coming years. So you can see the rate of change is exponential. And if you see this dashed rectangles, this represents the skilled labor shortfall. So even though the demand is quite high, there is no supply. It is less. So this picture is from 2016. So you can see there are too many threats. So don't worry what is a threat. You are going to learn about threats in the next session. So focus here. There are too few cybersecurity professionals. So you can pause this video and have a look at all these things. They are quite interesting. And in this picture, I want you to focus on this part. So this one is about career opportunities and the related to cybersecurity. So this infographic is a result of a survey conducted, and the people who responded, they are saying it is difficult to fill the job role, that is cybersecurity job roles. And 36% of the respondents are saying they are unable to fill the already vacant positions. That is, people are not there. And 53 percentage are saying that it takes 3 to 6 months to find qualified candidates. Okay, so you can look at the remaining things. And so how to become an information security analyst. um, so you should know one thing, information security is not same as cyber security. So we will look at the differences between information security and cyber security in the coming sessions, but for now almost most of these things will overlap between one another. So you can see here, so information security analyst is the first line of defense against cyber attacks and vulnerabilities. So the average salary is $70,000. It is quite high. And what are the responsibilities of an information security analyst or in fact cyber security analyst? So what they will do is they analyze vulnerabilities in the system, and they do penetration testing, and they do risk assessments, and a part of their job role is to do real-time analysis of the data. Mostly this data comes from the network, computer networks, and they will also do malware analysis. Not only these things, these are the important things, but a cybersecurity professional will do many other things. And after learning a cybersecurity course, it is very important to do certifications. And the industry recognized certifications, some of the examples are these: CISSP, CEH, and CSA. So this one is for people who are having already some experience in the cybersecurity, but this is an entry level certification, certified ethical hacker. So a person who don't have any experience can get this certificate, and they have a lot of weightage in the industry when you are applying for jobs. Okay, so this is in the US, and the data is in between 2010 to 2018. So this is the amount of money they are spending on cybersecurity. So you can see the increase is exponential. So a lot of money is being spent in that domain. And finally, we will conclude this session with a career map, that is different job roles in this domain. So below you can see the verticals. So there are different verticals, and the entry position is this security analyst. And once a person spends some time, like a few years at this level, they will move on to the next level, that is the middle level. And again after some years they will move to the top position, which is CISO, Chief Information Security Officer. Okay, that's it for this session. I have explained you the importance of cybersecurity. Now I think the question is clear why you are learning this subject. So in the next session, I am going to introduce you what are the different modules you are going to learn in this course. Thank you.